Hi guys, it's Thomas from COTbase.com. Welcome to our weekly COT review. For those of you who are new to COT, check out our guide video to the weekly review or the more detailed what is COT analysis video, and I'm sure you're going to get the information you need. Okay, let's get started and check out this week's COT report. We're going to start with commercials, and there we go. As you can see, the largest moves were in Fed funds, cotton, sugar, and 2-year notes, feeder cattle also. So we're always interested in the great moves. I'm going to show you some charts. If you're interested in most of them or some extra, then just check out our subscription service at COTbase.com and you'll find all the charts there. Okay, so as you can see, there was a great move in Fed funds. But if you look, even in the 1-year chart, you can find some larger movements over there. Not as large as this week, so it's definitely something to be aware of. I always recommend looking at a larger scale, larger time frame to say, and to see the movement there as well. And I know it's a little bit small, but I'm sure you can see that there were large movements in the past, a couple of them. So just to be aware of the fact that in Fed funds, such moves are well, I wouldn't say often come, but you can find a couple. Anyways, looking at the chart and the COT pattern, I would emphasize the fact that large speculators drop below zero, so their net contracts are in short, and that could suggest a change in the trend. As you know, large speculators are usually beside the trend, and extreme COT signals usually those are the signals that tell you there's a trend change. But in this case, be aware of the fact that large speculators are net short. Okay, let's move on, and let's have a look at 2-year notes. We had a short sell signal from commercials there, and small speculators are way optimistic. So this could actually mean a sell over there. Even the chart pattern suggests that, and you can find some close stop levels over there. So this could be a good opportunity on the short side. Let's have a look at large speculators movement. As you can see, soft's got the top 5 places over there: cotton, sugar, coffee. So be aware of that. And where do we have cocoa? Cocoa's down over there, but if you look at cocoa, the COT extreme indicator is yeah, there we go. So cocoa got silver medal concerning COT extreme. Let's open that chart just to have a look at it, because here is the situation's a bit different, and you might have an opportunity on the long side if you say that 2000 level might hold. Of course, wouldn't suggest anything. Of course, you decide your trading tactics, but anyhow, it's a market to be aware of. Small speculators are way down, not all time, but still pretty extreme to the short. So we'll see what happens over there. But soybean meal, here we have 2 all-time signals, and we had that last week as well, which was actually a perfect trading opportunity, because you know, stop levels weren't that far. But as you can see, these stops were triggered. And we're still moving up. So we'll see what this market brings us. But just to have a view on the large time frame, this is a huge COT extreme signal over there. So be aware of this market as well. I think that's all for today. But if you're interested in the other markets or some new indicators, check out our subscription service at COTbase.com, and you'll find some great tools and other COT report types. We deal with classic COT reports in our reviews, but we have CIT, TIFF, and disaggregated data as well. These are relatively new data coming out from CFTC, so definitely suggest looking at those as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you next week. Take care.